Good morning, first grade. Just real quick, I wanted to show you how to get to that book for your Reading Wonders for your your snapshot test today. When you're in Clever, you go down to Helpful Links where it says Grade Link, the Garden Homes website, and Connected. So you're going to click in Connected. And when you click in Connected, it might ask you for your username and your password. And if it does, you can go ahead and click in your username and password. Like for instance, what you just saw, 28 Jackson B. So it will be your 28. It is your first name and the first letter of your last name, and then your Viking password. Then go ahead, when it says save password for connectedmcgrawhill.com, you're going to hit save. When you do that, it should save it forever. If you've already been in Reading Wonders and been practicing, then you don't have to worry about hitting save because you've already done that part. Then you go ahead and you hit launch. When you hit launch, it gives you the squirrel, and then it gives you your different options: to do, words to know, write, games, and read. You're going to click on read. When you hit read, you're going to have the stories from the week. We read The Three Little Dassies this week, and we also read Home Around the World. But the story that you need for your snapshot is Cubs in a Hut. So you'll click Cubs in a Hut. And when you do that, now you have your story. It's a fantasy. You're going to read about how 3 cubs build a hut. So then you hit the arrow over to read. You can have it read to you, remember. So I can hit this little microphone type button.
"Let's make a hut," said Gus. "We could use mud," said Russ. "It will be fun," said Bud.
And you can do that for your entire story. And as you can see, as I keep pressing, there's a few pages to it. Oops, I'm sorry. And then when you come to here, then you're done. And then when you've done that, you can answer your questions. If you need to go back into the story, you just hit the back arrow over here on the side, and you can go back to be able to reread or to find out how to spell something. That is where you can find that information. Okay, so what did I do? How did I get there? How did I get there? I went to Clever first. Go to Clever. Click on Connected McGraw-Hill. Make sure your username is in there and your password. Hit Login. If you've already saved it, it'll just remember it for you. Hit Launch. When you're in, go to Read, Cubs in a Hut, and it will pop up for you to be able to read or listen to the story. I hope that helps. Good luck on your little snapshot. I can't wait to see all of your answers.